Hi guys, welcome back to the LiteFinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Today we will check what Elon Musk, Tesla and Bitcoin have in common, as well as we are going to check the price action when it comes to the Tesla chart, and we'll try to predict the future price and how can we take the advantage of that. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so what Bitcoin have in common with Tesla? If I'm not mistaken, 2021, replying to Cointelegraph, Elon Musk said when there is confirmation of reasonable around 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive futures trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. Well, why it's so important and why we are getting back into that, that's what we are going to discuss within the next few seconds. Then we are going to check, of course, the Tesla chart price action and where from here. But before, please like, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave the comment if really there is something in common in between Bitcoin and Tesla. So we know what Elon Musk replied to Cointelegraph in 2021 based on the Bitcoin archive Twitter account over here, as you can see. So I strongly encourage you to check by yourself. And then lately we have the answer, and market is trying to figure it out. Really, Elon Musk is going together with Tesla is going to resume the Bitcoin possibility to use the Bitcoin to pay for Tesla. Why? Because based on the information from Jamie Coates, and who is he? Well, he is the crypto market analyst, Bloomberg Intelligence, right? So that's not the ghost account, something we may eventually, doing our own research, try to rely on. Sustainable energy sources rise above 50%. Falling emissions plus a dramatically rising hash rate can only mean one thing: Bitcoin mining is consuming more sustainable energy in its mix. So that's very significant development we have here. And to be honest with you, I've seen within the last few days, like almost, I'm joking here, the whole Twitter been asking for the reaction and the comment from the Elon Musk. I strongly encourage you to visit this post and to go through the whole article. If you are a crypto enthusiast, you are going to find very interesting informations. But the most important is that we are right now above 50% when it comes to the green energy using by the Bitcoin miners. All right, so we know what is going on. Let's check now the Tesla chart, and let's try to figure it out where from here. Okay guys, let's start with some reminder. Towards the end of the 2022, beginning of 2023, I prepared my top 2023 picks when it comes to the crypto stocks and FX. When it comes to the stocks, Tesla was one of the top pick. I've been looking for a little bit lower levels, if you do remember. If you haven't watched, then well, you should. But also when you see this type of the price action we've seen here, right, with the strong rejection and move higher retest, that could be the reason you were trying at least partially to be filled on the long side. Now while we already know what the Bitcoin have in common with the Tesla, instead of the watching Bitcoin price, we are going to discuss Tesla price, current Tesla price, and where from here. Why? Because I strongly believe that if Tesla will resume accepting the Bitcoin as a payment, also Tesla may invest more into Bitcoin. And eventually, as we are approaching the Bitcoin halving, being the owner of the Bitcoin, Tesla price may skyrocketing, of course, only if the Bitcoin price will skyrocket. So that's the very important thing. Well, taking into the consideration what we've seen on late April, beginning of May, the very big dip down, all right, below 150, and the monster rally since then again, what I do expect when it comes to the price action and further price prediction? Well, I strongly believe that we are going to try to hold the level close to 240, and as long as we are holding 2040, we might see the market trying to retest the swing high we already seen over here, and in that case we are talking about the level close to 300. But there are two buts. First thing first, the bears, they may want to give up, and if that's going to happen, what we might try to do is try to follow some kind of the upside if the bears gave up, upside break from that range. I'm taking out this swing high and this swing low, so I do have this type of the range, and it's somewhere around $50 range. So if we are going to break higher out of that range, the next possible Tesla target is going to be around 340, 350. But if the bulls are going to give up, then of course the $50 lower could be the name of the game. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't be surprised, because everything here, this consolidation, 50% of that consolidation, as you can see, is gonna give us the distance in between what we have here and here, so we might see the target of 190. So as of now, because we are rejecting currently the top of that range, right, I would rather wait from the bulls perspective to see what's going to happen around 240, maybe 230, what kind of the price action we are going to see, and trying to look for some kind of the failures and moving higher. But with the strong close below, the retest of 240 could be the short entry with the 190 as a target. So as of now, no man's land, looking to buy lower, but if we are going to break strong support, the next one is around 190. Guys, as usual, strongly encourage you, do your own homework, do your own research before risking real money, and wish you great next trading session. See you around, take care, and goodbye.